Welcome students, myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the standard 9th maths. Okay, so let's start. So as per the previous lecture, we are learning about the coordinate geometry. Okay, so standard 9th, and we have to learn about the maths. And today's topic is as per the previous lecture. Our topic is coordinate geometry. Okay, so as per the coordinate geometry, we are learning about the how to represent the linear equation in one variable and how to represent the linear equation in two variable. Okay, so in the today's session we are learning that representing and how to represent particular points coordinates in the graph. Okay, we are learning about the how to represent particular coordinates on the graph. So now today we are learning about the linear equation in one variable. Show linear equation in one variable on number line, on the first number line, and second is on the Cartesian plane. Okay, on the second is on the Cartesian plane. Okay, clear student? So now we have to discuss about the how to represent on the number line and how to represent on the Cartesian plane in both of them. Okay, so let's start with the using some example. Just starting with the example, like first is x equal to 2. Okay, first is x equal to 2. Now I am using x equal to 2. So when I use x equal to 2, I am representing them in both of the method. One is the number line and second is the Cartesian plane. Then first we have to discuss on the number line, how to represent it on number line. So now as per the question, you have directly value as x equal to 2, then you have to just draw the number line. As you know, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and this is your x axis. Okay, and this is your generally x axis. Now your value of x is 2, therefore you have to represent that as a 2 at here. Okay, this is a basic number line for linear equation in one variable. Okay, now linear equation in one variable, how to represent it on the Cartesian plane. When I draw the Cartesian plane, when I represent it on the Cartesian plane, I must to have linear equation in two variable. So as per the x equal to 2, now first step is convert it into the linear equation in two variable in that standard form. My standard form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now as per the standard form, I will converted this number. So as per the standard form, x plus 0y plus c, that is my 2, equal to 0. Okay, my linear equation in two variable for this question is x plus 0y plus 2 equal to 0. Now I have to take this equation, and now I have to take this equation to represent linear equation in one variable using Cartesian plane. Okay, you must to convert, first thing students, you must to convert linear equation of one variable into the linear equation in two variable to represent on the Cartesian plane. You must to convert on linear equation in two variable. Okay, and this type of how to convert, and this type that how to convert it in the linear equation in two variable, that we already learned in the previous lectures. Okay, so let's start. So as per the question, let assume the value of the y. Now I am assuming the value of the y. So as per the value of the y, I am taking value of the y, that is 1, that is 1 into 0, 0, therefore x equal to, here my question mistake, that is my linear equation in two variable, that is my formation is x plus 0y minus 2. Okay, so when I take y equal to 1, I got x equal to 2. When I take y equal to 2, therefore also I will got x equal to 2. When I take y equal to 3, 3 into 0, that is 0, minus 2 shifted on the second side, therefore also x equal to 2. When I take y equal to 4, that is 4 into 0, that is 0, therefore these terms are cancelled out, therefore minus 2 shifted on that side, therefore x equal to 2. Okay, now in the value of the y, you have to take any kind of the values at the y, then you have to obtain the value of the x that is similar to the question. Okay, you got the values of the x similar to the question. Now I will represent it in the Cartesian plane. So this is my x, x dash, y, y dash. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay, so now when I take y equal to 1, then x equal to 2, so therefore your point is at here. When I take y equal to 2, then also x equal to 2, your point is here. When I take x equal to y equal to 3, therefore x equal to 2, your point is here. Therefore for the 4, your point is here. Okay, so this point is 1, 2, this point is 2, 2, this point is 3, 2, and this point is 4, 2. So as per the equation, I'll find the straight line. I'll find the straight line. Okay, I found the straight line, that is, I found the straight line that is parallel to, y axis, that is parallel to the y axis. Okay, this my straight line that is parallel to the y axis, Okay, then this is your graph and this is your answer. So for this graph, what we have to conclude that please note down this important question. We have to conclude that first thing, that is when we take points, that is when we take y equal to 0, when I take y equal to 0, therefore my point is x comma 0. Okay, that I already told you in the previous lectures. When I take y equal to 0, therefore my point is x comma 0. When you take x comma 0, therefore your equation has to found that as x plus 0y plus c equal to 0. Okay, for this equation, what you found, that is on the graph your line is parallel to the y axis. Okay, on the graph your line is parallel to the y axis. Okay, and for the x you also write the same for the x, that is when x equal to 0, then your points will be 0 comma y. So as per these points, your standard equation is 0x plus y plus c equal to 0. Okay, and for this graph, on the graph, for this equation on the graph, you found that parallel to the x axis. Your graph is obtained as a parallel to the x axis. Okay, clear, students? So we have to take same question as y equal to 3. Now we have to take same question as y equal to 3. So I'll take as y equal to 3. So in the one variable or in number line, in one variable, where I take this, draw y axis, my 0 is here, 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Therefore your point is here in the one variable. Okay, clear? Now I am draw the same thing using the Cartesian plane. Okay, in the Cartesian plane you must to have the linear equation in two variables. So I will convert it in the linear equation in two variables, that is my 0x plus y equal to 3. Therefore 3 shifted on the second side, therefore 0x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So now take the values of the x. Now take the values of the x and y. So what you found? Okay, what you found? Now we take the value of the x as 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So as put the 1 as the value of the x as a 1, therefore 1 into 0, that is 0. Therefore y equal to also 3. When I take x equal to 2, so x in 2 into 0, that is 0. Therefore also y equal to 3. When I taking x equal to 3, that is 3 into 0, that is 0, and also y equal to 3. And when I take x equal to 0, 0 into 4, that is 0 also, therefore also y equal to 3. Okay. So as per this coordinates, I will show the graph, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, that is my -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. Okay. So for this graph, I will take the x equal to 1 and y equal to 3. So x equal to 1, y equal to 3, therefore my point is here. Now x equal to 2, y equal to 3, x equal to 2, y equal to 3, therefore your point is here. Okay. Now I will put the 3 comma 3, that is x equal to 3, y equal to 3, that is here, and when I take the x equal to 4, therefore y equal to also 3. So your point is here, fourth point is here. Here my x, this is my y, x dash and y dash. So this point is 1 comma 3, this is 2 comma 3, this is 3 comma 3, and this is 4 comma 3. Okay. So as per the points, what I found that a line, that is a straight line, that is parallel to the x axis. This line, this straight line, that is parallel to the x axis. When I take a y, when I take the value of the y, and when I take the x equal to 0, so the graph on the number line on Cartesian plane, that is straight line, is parallel to the x axis, that I already told you. Okay. Clear, students? So now we have to take some important questions for this chapter. So let's start. Now we have to take some important questions that is related to the linear equation in two variables. Okay. If the point 2 comma -2 is lie on the graph of the linear equation of 5x plus ky equal to 4, find the value of the k. If the point 2 comma -2 lie on the graph of linear equation, that is my linear equation, for the linear equation, okay, that is my 5x plus ky plus 4, 5x plus ky equal to 4, that is 5x plus ky equal to 4. Find the value of the k. Find the value of the k. Okay. So in this question, you have to see that there is a 2 points. that is x and y, value of the x and y are already given, value of x and y already given. So for that, what should we do? That we do that value of the x and y we have to put in the question, that is 5x plus ky equal to 4. Therefore 5 into 2 plus k into minus 2 equal to 4. Therefore 5 2s are 10 minus 2k equal to 4. Therefore now 10 shifted on the second side, therefore minus 2k equal to 4 minus 10. Therefore minus 2k is equal to minus 6. Therefore minus minus are cancel out, minus minus are cancel out. Therefore value of k is 6 by 2, that is 3. My value of k is 3. Okay. Clear, students? Okay, students, clear? Clear, students? Now we have to take another example, that is find the value of k find the value of k for which point 1 comma minus 2, that is your 1 comma minus 2 is lie on the graph of the equation x minus 2y equal to k, that is x minus 2y equal to k. Okay. For this equation find the value of k. Students, first of all try yourself. Okay, students, first of all try yourself, then find the value of k yourself. Please try yourself first of all. Okay, done. Now I'll solve it. X minus 2y equal to k, therefore value of x is 1 minus 2, value of y is minus 2 equal to k, therefore 1 plus 4 equal to k, that is k equal to 5, that is k equal to 5. Okay. Now we take another question, that is if 4 comma that is if 4 comma 19 is a solution of the equation, if 4 comma 19 is a solution of the equation, a solution of the equation, that is my equation is y equal to ax plus 3, y equal to ax plus 3. Okay, then find the value of the a and find the value of the a. So students, let's start. First of all do yourself, then I'll show you the answer and method. Okay, please do fast. we have to answer as a y equal to ax plus 3. Now what is the value of x? That is 4. And what is value of y? That is 19. 19 equal to a into 4 plus 3. Okay, 19 equal to a into 4 plus 3. Plus 3 shifted on the second side, therefore 19 minus 3 equal to 4a. Okay, now 19 minus 3, that is 19 minus 3, that is 16. 16 equal to 4a, and 16 by 4, that is a. Therefore value of a is 4 4s are 16. Therefore value of a is 4 4s are 16, that is 4. Okay, value of a is 4. Okay students, now take another example, that is if a comma 4. Now take another example, if a comma 4 is a lies on the graph 3x plus y equal to 10, then find the value of a. A comma 4 lies on the graph that is 3x plus y equal to 10. 3x plus y equal to 10, then find the value of a. Find the value of a. So first of all, do yourself students, do fast. Now 3x plus y is equal to 10, therefore 3, what is the value of x? That is a, plus what is the value of y? That is 4, equal to 10. Therefore 3 into a, that is 3a, plus 4 equal to 10. Okay, now shift 4 to the second side. So your value is 3a equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6. Therefore value of a, that is 6 by 3 is 2. Your value of a, that is 2. Clear students? Now take another example and last one of this for today's session. And students, this is your last lecture of the coordinate geometry. From tomorrow we have to learn about the chapter 14, that is statistics. Okay, we have to start the statistic. Okay, from tomorrow. Today is the last lecture of this coordinate geometry. So if you have any doubt, please consider here and please watch again and again. Now your question is 2k minus 1, and in the second one, that is k. If 2k minus 1 and k is the solution of the equation, that is my equation is 10x minus 9y equal to 12. 10x minus 9y equal to 12. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Okay, same as do as we have to done as previous question, that is take the value of x as a 2k minus 1 and minus 9 as y, that is my k equal to 12. So now solve this. 10 is multiplied to the 2k and 1 both of them, that is 10 to the 20k minus 10 minus 9k equal to 12. Therefore 20k minus 9k, that is 11k, and 10 shifted on the second side, that is 12 plus 10. Okay, that is 12 plus 10. Now 12 plus 10, that is 11k, that is 22. Okay, now what is the value of k? That is 22 by 11, that is 2. Value of k is equal to 2. What is the value of k? That is value of k is equal to 2. So clear, students? I hope you have to clear all the questions and you have to clear all the things that today we have to teach you. Okay, so this is the last lecture you have to done at here. So for this session, write the homework for the session, that is your homework is, that is draw the graph for the equation, that is your equations is for the following equation, that is first one is y equal to minus 3, y equal to minus 3. Okay, first one is y equal to minus 3. Second one is that is x equal to 9, that is second one is x equal to 9. Okay,